Oxidation and reduction in terms of electronic concept. Today in second part, we will discuss about reduction, which is the just reverse process of oxidation. In other words, we can say that reduction is the exact opposite of oxidation. As we had discussed in case of oxidation, there is increase in positive charge from left to right, while that of decrease in negative charge from left to right. But in case of reduction, there is decrease in positive charge from left to right, while that of increase in negative charge from left to right, which is defined as a process in which there is gain of electron. In case of reduction, in case of gain of electron, there is either decrease in positive charge or increase in negative charge from left to right. Taking the example, for reduction, we can describe the decrease in negative charge or increase in negative charge from left to right. Magnesium 2 plus, it means magnesium loses 2 electron. In this condition, magnesium gaining 2 electron converted into magnesium neutral atom. In the same way, calcium has 2 positive charge which gains 2 electron forming calcium neutral atom. Here sodium 1 plus gaining 1 electron converted into sodium neutral atom. Potassium ion 1 positive charge gaining 1 electron converted into potassium neutral atom. Here decrease in positive charge from left to right. Magnesium 2 positive charge, here magnesium right hand side 0 charge. Calcium 2 positive charge, here right hand side calcium 0 charge. Left hand side sodium plus 1 charge, here sodium 0. Left hand side potassium 1 plus, right hand side 0. In this way there is decrease in positive charge from left to right, while that of in case of chlorine, bromine, iodine, chlorine molecule gaining 2 electron converted into 2 chloride ion. Bromine molecules gaining 2 electron converted into bromide ion. Iodine molecule gaining 2 electron converted into iodide ion. Here in this case there is gain of electron. Gain of electron, increase in negative charge from left to right. This is the gain of electron. In the same way, decrease in positive charge from left to right, that is also gain of electron. Magnesium 2 positive charge, right hand side magnesium 0 charge. Here decrease in positive charge from left to right, increase in negative charge from left to right. Both of the conditions proves the gain of electron. In this way, gain of electron is known as reduction, which is the just reverse process of oxidation.